Good evening, friends. On behalf of Fortile India Private Limited, myself P. Kumar, I welcome you all in this session. We have kept this session on the request of our various users, which have been requesting, placing a lot of queries with us. So, to elaborate all the points, we are starting this session. In this section, we will be addressing towards the trial and demo part. See, trial, we are providing 7 days trial period, but it is only of the software of winning streaks. It is requiring a data feed from globaldatafeed.in, uh, which is independent of this software. Means you'll have to purchase from them independently, and they will be providing it at least for a minimum period of 1 month. So, but the trial is only for 7 days. So the user will be facing a problem that in case he decides not to continue with the winning streak software, in that condition, his the balance period will be a total waste for him. And if the user is okay with that part, then he can mail us after downloading the software. He can mail us at winningstreaks.spp@gmail.com. I will show this email ID also. So on this email ID, the user has to mail us. We will activate 7 days trial for him. And but remember, he has to bear the cost of global data feed REST API in case he decides not to continue with winning streaks, not to subscribe winning streaks software further. In that condition, the amount unutilized part will be waste, a total waste for him, right? Uh, in future, we shall be integrating certain other data feed providers also, which are of free in nature. But in those subscriber, in case of National Stock Exchange India, there will be a delay of say 1 minute of refreshing interval. Not the data is not delayed, but refreshing interval is of 1 minute. So after each 1 minute, their candle or prices will be refreshed from those data providers. That is finhub.io, but that is free API. Okay, so I don't think user will be having any problem with that API because this is not a charting platform. It is a projection platform. Means prices are or the moves are being projected here, independent of what the price actions are there. So user don't have to worry about charting, making graphs, all that thing. It doesn't require in this setup. And so 1 minute delay will be okay in general from my perspective, but it depends on user to user. So if user is okay, he can go for finhub.io. But remember, this is not available in current version. We are trying to integrate the same in our next version. So it will be taking, say, a time of 15 days to 20 days more. Then it will be available in our next version. Okay. So in case agar user decides to go for the trial period and subscribe for data feed, then kindly mail us. We'll be activating their trial period. And in case if the user is not able to subscribe the data feed, but he wants to explore the software, in that condition, he has to again apply us for demo in our the same email ID, and we shall be uh, making available a link to them through which they can view the our live trading room. But in that condition, there will be a limitation that they only one or two scripts which we are playing, only that will be available to them for him. They will not be able to choose the scripts from on their own because it will be a demo of our trading room, right? So in that condition also they will have to mail us, and we will be activating their demo also. But demo will be only for 2 days, and trial is for 7 days. For trial, they have to go for the data feed, purchase the data feed, and uh, then apply for the trial. We shall be activating, right? So I think I have cleared the doubts regarding data trial and demo. In next session, further queries are being addressed. So I shall be concluding this session here. Thank you all.